Okay, so I use hot water out of my water container, and I'm making these type of noodles, but it's not doing like what I wanted to do. Like y'all see this? So I'ma just, I'ma have to boil it because it's not getting, I guess, wet enough for me to make it soggy or soft. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. Tell me how you cook your noodles. I'm gonna take this out. Thank y'all for the subscribers I have on KTH Mukbang. Please don't think I forgot about y'all. I'm gonna have to break this. Now, when y'all cook y'all noodles, do y'all pour the juice out, or do you make it like extra soupy? I'm gonna go ahead and pour the seasoning on here. I don't know if y'all do this. I'm doing it different this time. I'm just trying something different. Nothing wrong with trying something new.